Redistricting is a process that takes place in the first year of a new decade every 10 years. It's constitutionally required that localities and the state of Virginia, the Commonwealth of Virginia itself, reapportion the districts that are represented by elected officials. When those elected officials are in their representative districts, the reapportionment process guarantees that all citizens have a fair voice, one person, one vote, in the process to elect them. Given that population grows during the course of a decade, sometimes those magisterial districts become imbalanced. So our role on the Redistricting Advisory Committee was to look at the maps and see where growth was and evaluate which precincts within the districts needed to move or stay put. November 9th is a unique opportunity for citizens of the county, no matter where you live or what issues are closest to you, to come before the board and to offer your testimony in person, written, video, or over the phone. The Redistricting Advisory Committee has been an open, transparent process from day one. The public has been part and driving the process each step of the way. Their input has been incorporated into the maps that we drew and submitted to the board. And now the board on November 9th wants to hear what the most important parts of the county that should be considered from those maps that they're going to adopt.